Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got a new one, actually a new recipe. This is Prima Taste Chili Crab Ramen. And then it says, tasty new recipe. And they're really keen on me trying it, so I figure good day to do it. And I think I'll do a spicy noodle mukbang with it. They mentioned something about some kind of change in the flavor. I wonder if it's spicy. So the way this works is you take this noodle block and you put it in a pot. And you take these sachets that are full of the chili crab flavored sauce. Notice it says pre-release sample. That's kind of cool. I'm honored. Absolutely honored by that. I love prototypes and pre-release stuff. That's like the neatest thing ever. I'm sure most people are like, pre-release noodles? What the heck is that all about? But it does exist. Everything seems to be cruising along okay, except for this is boiling over a little. But yeah, and I got the timer going, that's going. So what's new? Not a whole lot here at the moment. Well, I mean, there's things that are new. The whole DNA thing is fascinating. It just kind of looks like I've got a brother. Who'd have thunk it? Talked to him again yesterday. Nice guy. And what's going on? Gonna go hang out with my older son this weekend. We're going to Seattle and go see Daniel Tiger. That should be interesting. The Sesame Street Live thing was rad. But it was rad because it was like 4 days that they had that thing going on, and we were there to see Sesame Street Live on a Sunday at 6 p.m. Who the heck is gonna go for that date and time? Well, we did, and the place was pretty much empty. It was great, very nice. I would say they maybe were at 5 to 8% capacity. So that was cool. And this is going to be at the Paramount, and they're only doing it for one day. Both of my kids are psychotic for Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. You could have that on all day and all night for 3 weeks, and then you put on something else, and the first thing you'll hear is Daniel Tiger. Daniel Tiger. I'm serious. It's really, it's kind of disturbing, really. Been enjoying energy drinks lately. There's one called Bang, and it does pretty good if I don't have it for days and days. I had one yesterday, and I was like, oh, it didn't really do anything. And I had one this morning. It woke me up, but it wasn't, it wasn't the same, man. But yeah, I had one, like Monday, and it like kept me buzzing around all day, and then I woke up early in the morning, and I still felt like I had a caffeine thing going on. Right now, I'm actually drinking more caffeine. I don't know. I'll say one thing. If you never drink caffeine drinks and you go get some high-powered caffeinated drink and pound it, you're done for. Let me tell you. You'll get so sick. Don't do it. Sip it. That's what I do with them anyways. I like Mountain Dew now, that's not a lot, but like that, those Mountain Dews, that bottle has 75 milligrams of caffeine in it. Those Bang ones are in like a 16-ounce can, and they have 300 milligrams of caffeine. And honestly, it was like around 10:30 this morning, I fell asleep on the couch. So yeah, so that I guess I'm getting very immune to caffeine, which sucks because it's a very nice, helpful thing. But oh well, what can you do? Well, we're gonna need the aid of a strainer. I do believe in a moment we will strain these noodles, add the chili season or sauce in, stir it up, give it a taste, and then we're going to go to town garnishing it, and then it's going to be time to do a spicy noodle mukbang. So you'll probably you'll see it about the same time as this. That's what I've been doing. I was having spicy noodle mukbangs come out on Fridays, but now I'm kind of thinking, why don't I just have it come out on the same day that the cooking video comes out on? So I have the spicy noodle mukbang come out at 11 a.m. and the cooking video comes out at 2 p.m. But yeah, snow's almost all gone. There's a lot of threat of more snow, which I'm not super happy about. I don't want more snow. I'm good. I don't get snow days. Every day for me is a snow day, in a way. I mean, I have a lot of responsibilities and things that I have to do, but you know, I like them. That's the problem. I think that's what probably a lot of people would be like, you don't do nothing. It's like, I'm sorry, I enjoy my life. I heard something this morning. Some person was saying how dads are a certain way. Like, they'll say they have to babysit their kids, whereas moms will say, I have to watch my children, as if, like, dads don't care as much. Oh, crap. Here. You're supposed to add some water in, and I'm gonna go like this. That should do it. Oh my god, these things are hot. Ugh. Wow. But it's Thursday, and tomorrow's Friday, so I'm stoked. I am stoked on that. Yeah. I like Friday. I like Friday evening. I like Friday afternoon. Damn. Very tough to do this because it hurts. Oh. Pardon my French. So we started watching Game of Thrones. That's pretty good. I like the short guy. What's his name? The guy who's short and well-read. He's great. But it being an HBO show, there's a lot of colorful metaphors, I might say, which is fine with me. I don't care. I speak French, but if you're averse to lots of naked people doing a lot of naughty business, you don't want to watch that show. I don't know. One thing I will say, I mean, I like it. It's a good show. But one thing I will say about it, the intro is the most horrible. I mean, it looks like I'm booting up a video game. It's just like there's swords, there's all this, I don't know. It's just, I don't like the song. They need to fix that. But I'm on the first season, so I don't know. Maybe they do fix that. But we just got done with House of Cards, which I absolutely loved that show. I'm really bummed it ended. And I think the way it ended was just too quick. But, you know, what do they didn't expect what happened to happen, so at least they ended it. A lot of shows probably would have just been like, oh, no. This guy had too much to do with the show. I'm not going to even have it anymore. So here it is, all done. Wow. Getting a lot of prawn flavor in this. It's nice though. All right. I approve. If you folks in Singapore are watching. Spicy. Yes, I approve. I will say I'm not getting as much of the sweet as I used to in this one. It's tough though, if you're gonna have spicy, it's hard to have the sweet. Well, it's not, but there's a lot going on with it. And what do we want to put in here? I want to put some of this. This is surimi. Something I recently discovered, because it's like crab stick is, it's alright, but it just doesn't, I just want to say it just doesn't look as good as this stuff. This stuff doesn't want to work with me. So we're going to cut it up a bit and get all angry with it. And yeah, I'm going to have this in the mukbang just because it's like, I don't know. I know this isn't like top 10 spicy list spicy, but it is spicy, you know. I want to show it off. It's a good product. So I'll let you watch me eat it. Maybe Miles will give it a try. I tend to doubt it though. He doesn't like noodles that have a little bit of stuff on them. Like if there's a lot of color or looks like there's little bits on them, he's not into it. But we'll give this a go. Let's get more of this. Cut up. Nice and crabby. Wow. Alright. And I'd be like, wait, you're gonna do a mukbang of all that? What happened to your diet? Oh, my diet's still there. Big time. In fact, what I was doing is I was throwing couscous in with my soup at night and bulking it up. And now I've found just having like a few crackers with my soup is just fine. So I basically cut out like 400 calories a day easily. So it's like doing this was really not that big of a deal. I'm still way under what I'm supposed to be doing, so. And there we go. And here we go. Alright, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.